Need to add dozens or even hundreds of products to your Shopify store at once? In this video, I'll show you the powerful time-saving method of bulk importing products using a CSV file. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Manually adding products one by one can be a huge task. Bulk importing is the professional way to scale your inventory quickly and efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need a properly formatted CSV file. This is a simple spreadsheet file that programs like Excel or Google Sheets can create and edit. The best way to start is to export a sample file from Shopify itself. To get the template, go to your Products page in your Shopify admin, click the Import button. On the next screen, you'll see an option to export. Choose to export all products as a CSV file. Even if you have no products yet, this will give you a file with the correct column headers. Now, open this CSV file in your spreadsheet program. You'll see columns for all the essential data like title, body HTML, vendor, type, and price. Carefully fill in your product information, row by row. A crucial pro tip: keep your formatting consistent and never delete any columns from the template, as this will cause errors during import. Once your spreadsheet is filled out, save it as a CSV file again. Go back to your Shopify Products page, click Import, and then Add File to upload your completed CSV. Shopify will show you a preview to confirm everything looks correct before proceeding. Finally, click Upload and continue. Shopify will process the file. Depending on its size, this might take a few minutes. You'll see a summary of how many products were imported successfully and if there were any errors you need to fix. And just like that, you've populated your entire catalog in one go. This is a massive time saver. If this guide helped you scale your inventory efficiently, please give it a like. How many products did you manage to import? Share your success in the comments below. To get even more detailed with your listings, subscribe for our next video on how to create product variants in Shopify. Thanks for watching.